In this video, we'll discuss what are basic candlestick patterns. The patterns which are created by 1, 2 or 3 candlesticks. These are called basic candlestick patterns, and in this video we will see all these patterns. In the last video we saw what is candlestick, what is OHLC values, what is bearish candle, what is bullish candle, what are body and wicks of candles, and in this video we will see what are basic candlestick patterns. If you did not see the previous video, the link is given in the description. Please watch that once and then continue with this particular video. Okay, I will directly take you to the charts so that I can show you the patterns these which are created by 1, 2 or 3 candlesticks. Well, this is chart of HDFC, and we'll start going through patterns one by one. First pattern we'll see is bullish engulfing. So what is bullish engulfing? See, if a red candle is created, something like this, if red candle is created, suppose this is your red candle, okay, means it is going down, the stock price is going down, right? This is bearish candle, and other candle which is bullish candle created immediately after that. Next day it has created a bullish candle like this. Okay, this is called bullish engulfing. So a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle, immediately followed by. So a bullish candle will happen on chart, and immediately next all its effect will be nullified. Means whatever price has come down, it will go up. So this is called bullish engulfing. This pattern generally you will see at the bottom of the swing, a candlestick swing. The concept of swing will learn later, but for now just understand that the pattern will form at bottom. Okay, so on this chart we will try to see if there is a bullish engulfing somewhere. Okay, see this one, whatever you are seeing here is a bullish engulfing. Okay, so here, yes. So these two candles, what these two candles did is called engulfing. This candle was a red candle, price came down, next day prices went up again. So these generally indicate reversal, bullish reversal. It's reversal from bottom. Okay, next pattern is bearish engulfing. So first we saw this is bullish, right? Because this engulfing taking price up. What is bearish engulfing? Bearish engulfing, here we have this, right? This will typically happen at the top. So when it happen at top, then it has significance. Okay, means this green candle pushed the prices up, and it is immediately followed by a bearish candle which pushed prices down. So it turned bearish, and you can immediately see impact. See, after bullish engulfing there was some up move immediately. After bearish engulfing there was some down move immediately. Okay, so these patterns are reversal patterns. Okay, so if such patterns formed, then you can say that now the stock price may go in that direction. Okay, next these were two candlestick patterns. Now next pattern we will see is a single candlestick pattern, and it is called doji. Okay, so first one was bullish engulfing, second was bearish engulfing. Okay, I'll just spell it here, engulfing. Okay, this is first two patterns were bullish or bearish engulfing, and now next pattern is called doji. Okay, and how will be this candle? This candle will look like this. Okay, it means its open equal to close, or it will be nearly equal to close. So price will open at a certain level, it will go up, come down, again will go down, come up, and close at the same place. This was the open, here priced open, at the same place price closed. Okay, what this indicates? This indicates indecision. So market was unable to decide direction. Okay, now again, if these kind of candles, doji candles, formed at top or bottom, you can be cautious that now there can be reversal. Okay, if this happen in between sorry, if this happen in between, then they don't have that significance. But if these doji candles are formed at top of the swing or at bottom, then they indicate probable reversal. Okay, so we'll on chart we'll try to see some doji candles. Okay, see, this one is a doji candle, this is also a doji candle. Okay, this is also a doji candle, this one, this green. Okay, now let me clear the screen. I will try to see the doji candles which are formed at top or bottom. Okay, see here, this is nearly a doji candle, this is this candle, right? Price was going up, this indecision candle formed, and then there was immediate reversal. Okay, so when doji forms, there may be reversal, means there is indecision. So if prices are going up, okay, and if doji forms, it means now sellers are also in the play. Okay, means see, if there is uptrend like this, okay, if prices are going down, only buyers have strength, right? So each candle you can see is green, going up. If indecisive candle or doji candle forms, what is meaning of this doji candle? That now sellers are coming in, because now sellers think that prices are gone up, from here prices should reverse. So people think that it is costly now, and selling will start. So when selling starts, then sellers are trying to push price down, right? So if force of buyers and force of seller is equal, then doji forms. So something is happening now, they have equal force. Now buyers force is towards its end. Okay, and then seller's force increase, so that indicates a probable reversal. So doji candles, if form at top or bottom, are if those forms at top or bottom indicates that there will be reversal. Our next pattern, okay, there are two more types of doji. One is dragonfly doji, okay, and dragonfly doji looks like this. Oh, we have it here. This is dragonfly doji. See, its open and close will be same, but it will be on higher side, okay, not exactly in the middle. See, our normal doji open high will be exactly in the middle, okay, but dragonfly doji, it will be at the top. The candle will be formed like this. This is open, this is this is open, and the same is closed, okay. Price opened and closed at same spot, but at the higher side, okay, at the higher side of the candle. Now what this indicates? See, again this is indecision, because price ended up closing where it opened, okay, but what it indicates that if this type of pattern, dragonfly doji, is formed at bottom, okay, if dragonfly doji formed at bottom, it indicates probable reversal, because when prices were going down, all red candles were forming, right? And when this kind of candle forms, it means that now seller's strength is going away. Buyers are also coming in. At lower levels, buyers are pushing the prices up. That's why this pattern forms. So it is very important to understand where it is forming, where the candle is forming, okay. These patterns work best in context, that at what spot or at what position it is forming, okay. Now if the same pattern, same dragonfly doji is formed, suppose prices are going up in bullish territory, all green candles are forming, and if you see dragonfly doji there, what is meaning of that? Its meaning is now sellers are also trying to come in, okay. This particular day, yeah, see, okay, I'll mark it here, okay. You are seeing this candle, this is dragonfly doji, prices were going up and this candle formed. So what is meaning of this candle? This candle shows that now sellers are also coming in, though they failed to close prices down, but they tried, but again buyers became active and buyers pushed the price up. But now you have to be cautious. It is warning sign that from this level now sellers will also start showing their strength, okay. So these meanings you have to draw from context where this is forming, okay. These names, whatever I am telling you, doji, dragonfly doji, these names, if you don't remember, no problem, but you should understand the context, that what is happening on that day, okay, or on in that period, what is happening. Next type of doji is gravestone doji, and it is like reverse of dragonfly doji. This one, In this, what happened is the open close is on lower side. Okay, we saw this example of Dragonfly Doji where open close was on higher side. Now with this Gravestone Doji, open and close are on lower side. Now Gravestone Doji has good significance when it is formed at top. It shows probable reversal, because what it is showing, earlier the buyers had strength, but now when buyers tried pushing price up, sellers came in, they pushed the price down. Okay, and sellers now made the price to close at lower level, so sellers are showing their strength, so probable reversal. Okay, now similarly, if prices were going down and this type of candle forms, Gravestone Doji forms, what you can conclude? See, there may not be reversal in that case immediately, but you should be cautious that now buyers are coming in the play. Okay, if same candle, if Gravestone Doji forms when prices are going down, then you should be cautious that now there can be reversal, because buyers have come in and tried to push price down. Sellers again pushed it, buyers came in and tried to push price up. Sellers came in and they pushed again down. That is fine, but now buyers efforts are visible, so now buyers will increase their efforts from this point of time. Okay, now next, these were one candlestick patterns. Next we will see three candlestick patterns, and first three candlestick pattern is evening star pattern. Okay, see, if prices are going up, going up and this pattern forms, then it is probable reversal. So this is evening star is three candle pattern and this pattern generally forms at the top of the swing. So when prices are going up, if this green candle forms, suppose this is a green candle, okay, and prices are going up, and then a small doji type candle forms here, doji or any doji type candle or small candle forms here, and then a bearish candle forms here. Change the color. The bearish candle forms here. Okay, so these are three candlesticks. This is day 1, 2 and 3. If this pattern forms at top, it indicates that this is probable reversal. Okay, and this pattern is called evening star pattern. Okay, similarly, if prices are going down, so this is a bearish candle, and then some small candle forms here. Okay, and then some bullish candle forms here. These are three consecutive candles. Okay, these should form immediately one after the other. If this structure forms, this is called morning star. This is also probable reversal, but this pattern should form at the bottom of the swing. So on this chart, let's try to search some morning star and evening star patterns if we can find. Okay, this is similar. This is similar here. Okay. Now, if you see here, actually, 1 second. Yeah, see this region. Okay, here you can see three candles. This is bullish candle, then a candle formed here which is indecisive more of, and a bearish candle form. This indicates probable reversal, and this is called evening star. Generally, this candle, if it is small doji, it is more effective. Okay, this is also a type of evening star only. This is kind of evening star only. Okay, a bullish candle forms, then a small candle, indecisive candle forms, and then bearish candle forms. This is evening star. Okay, we'll try to find if we can see any morning star here. This is engulfing. This is what you are seeing at the bottom here is bullish engulfing. What you are seeing here is bearish engulfing. These patterns we saw at the at the start of today's session, right? Okay, so we don't have it here. Okay, no problem. You know now what is evening star and what is morning star pattern. Next is hammer. What is hammer? See, you saw dojis, right? You saw dragonfly doji and gravestone doji. But only difference in doji and hammer is the hammer looks like this. This is hammer. Okay, because there is little bit of gap in open and close. In doji candle, see, in dragonfly doji, it is like this. This is dragonfly doji, and this is hammer. Okay, significance of hammer and dragonfly doji is same. So you watch again about what I told about dragonfly doji, and the interpretation and context of hammer is also similar. Okay, if not exactly same, it's similar. And inverted hammer. What is inverted hammer? This is hammer, and inverted hammer is like this. Okay, generally hammers extend till the end. Okay, this also generally will be till end. Okay, now this is inverted hammer, and its interpretation is again same as gravestone doji. Okay, now inverted hammers, if they are formed at bottom, they are called inverted hammer. If these are formed at the bottom of the swing, this is called inverted hammer. But if the same structure formed at top, it is called shooting star. Okay, so there are many such names. Don't get confused. See the context. See when this candle is forming, what is meaning behind this? Who is in control? Who is pushing the prices? It's buyer or seller, and you will be able to understand context. Even if you see daily candle, you will be able to understand what is happening inside in small time frames. See, if you see the green candles, you know entire day prices were going up, right? If you see doji candle, you know prices may went up, then came down, then again came up. So if you can see doji on the chart, on the daily chart, you know this was not a trending day, it was sideways day, because inside that, in small time frame, something like this happened. Prices went up, then came down, then they did something like, then went up, then closed here. At same point they closed. So in entire day this happened. So it was sideways, right? So if you are able to understand the context behind each of the candlestick, you will be able to pick up these concepts very easily. Okay, if you have any questions, then you can comment on this video and I will try to answer all your questions. These are the basic patterns, and I am concluding this session here. So please watch this video. If you did not understand anything, watch it again and again. And if you still don't understand, then better you comment on the video and I will answer your questions. Okay, and don't forget to like this video. And if any of your friends are new to trading or want to learn how to read candlestick charts and want to learn technical analysis, then share these resources with them also, share these videos with them also, because let's learn together, let's grow together. Okay, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel, that is the Quest for Alpha. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now.